Welcome to Bot Settings tutorial. To access this feature, click on Messenger Bot, located on the left sidebar menu, under the Messenger Tools section. In this video, we will see how you can set your bot settings for multiple Instagram accounts. The bot can reply with text, image, quick reply, generic template, carousel, user input flow, and e-commerce. Remember, you might not see all the features displayed in this tutorial within your account. The availability of the features depends on your current subscription package. Instagram bot section is divided into 3 subsections. They are as follows. 1. Bot settings. 2. Postback manager. 3. User input flow and custom fields. Let's see how to use bot settings. To enter this section, click on the action link under bot settings label. This section is divided into 3 parts. The left part displays all your bot-enabled Instagram accounts. The middle one shows the available bot settings. It contains bot reply settings, get started settings, general settings, action button settings, and sequence message settings. When you click on change settings on any of the middle section settings, then the corresponding data will be displayed on the right side. On the top middle of the right section, there is a button called Variables. This will display all the variables you currently have. After you save a response in a custom field, you can use it as a variable in your message reply to the subscriber. Let's see all in Instagram bot settings available in the middle section. First, bot reply settings. When you select these settings by clicking Change Settings, then the right side will show you all the bot replies you have created so far. Click on the Add Bot Reply button visible at the top right corner to start the bot setup. This is a keyword-based reply. A reply setup form will open right away. First, you need to enter a bot name, which is basically a name that will help you recognize this keyword-based reply setting later. Then, enter keywords separated by a comma. When users type one of these keywords, the bot will reply to them whatever reply you set up on the form below. Let's now set up the replies users will see on their Instagram when they enter one of the keywords you set up here. Currently you can use up to 7 inbox hour reply types within one reply set. And you can only use one of these reply types within one reply set at a time. But can set up to a maximum of 6 consecutive reply sets by clicking on Add More Reply button, located at the bottom right of a reply set. You have the ability to reorder reply sets by dragging and dropping it. We are now going to see how to set up a reply by choosing a reply type. You can choose text, image, quick reply, generic template, carousel, user input flow, and e-commerce. Depending on the reply type you have selected, you will need to fill in the information to complete and submit the form to save it. Let's now see at the contents of all reply types available for creating one or more reply sets. First, text. This reply is the simplest type of reply that can only contain text-based replies. You can include the full name variable inside the text-based message. The variables will be replaced by the Instagram name of the users when they see the message. You can also use Spintax format reply, which basically helps you display different replies to different users. Second, image. This reply type accepts the URL of a single image or an image that can be uploaded using the upload form provided. It is also possible to drag and drop images to the upload button. Third, quick reply. This reply type contains a text-based reply with a set of up to 13 buttons. When a quick reply is tapped, the buttons are dismissed, and the title of the tapped button is posted to the conversation as a message. Fourth, generic template. This reply type is a simple structured message that includes a title, subtitle, image, and up to 3 buttons. Fifth, carousel. This reply type is simply a horizontally scrollable carousel of generic templates. and it can contain up to 10 generic templates. 6th, user input flow. This reply type is used to make the Messenger bot more interactive. With this reply, you can ask a single or series of questions inside the Messenger. Once users provide an answer, then the next question will be sent to them depending on your settings. To create this reply, first you need to create a flow campaign inside user input flow and custom fields within Messenger bot main section. 7th, e-commerce. This reply type is used to make a carousel or generic template like a reply of selected products you have created in the e-commerce store. This makes manual creation of a carousel or generic template for each product very easy. To create this reply, first you need to select your e-commerce store. Make sure to have a store created in the e-commerce store section, and all the stores you have created will be displayed here for selection. Next, select the products for the carousel, the generic reply from the store you have selected. Finally, provide the Buy Now button text. You can provide any name that can direct customers to click it and proceed to order the product. Let's see the next started settings. By selecting this setting you can enable or disable the icebreakers. Icebreakers are like frequently asked questions. Icebreaker setting is disabled by default. The next middle section setting is General Settings. Here, you can see Chat with Human Email. To use this feature, you need to enter an email address you can use to communicate with users. This is a great option to let bot subscribers continue the communication through email with a human. Here you can see an option called Reply if no match found. If users type a message that is not recognized by the bot, then you can turn on Reply if no match found option. This way users will receive an email address on their messenger and they can use this email address to directly communicate with a human. The fourth middle section setting is called Action Button Settings. These are system-defined reply templates. Currently, there are around 2 action button templates. Let's see each of them. First, No Match Template. This setting is where you can set a response when the system does not get any matching keyword to reply. Second, Story Mention Template. This setting is where you can set a response when a user mentions the Instagram account in their own story. OK. The fifth middle section setting is called Sequence Message Settings. The sequence message setting contains Messenger sequence settings. Clicking Messenger sequence settings opens the corresponding options on the right. Here, you can create 24 hours promotional and daily non-promotional sequence campaigns by clicking on the Add Sequence button on the right. First, provide a campaign name. Next, you can either choose 24-hour promotional or daily non-promotional sequence times. Make sure to use daily non-promotional sequences with message tags carefully. The message must not contain any advertisement or promotional material. Also make sure to use appropriate tags that are applicable for sending messages to those people. Using a message tag without proper reason may result in blocking of your page's messaging option by Facebook. Finally, at the bottom of the bot settings middle section, you can see 2 buttons: Subscribers and Errors. Clicking the Subscribers button will redirect you to the Subscribers Manager section where you will be able to view all the lists of subscribers you have. And clicking the Errors button will open a pop-up displaying the last 7 days error report of the selected Facebook page. The pop-up shows a list of bot names, the error messages, error occurring time, and the actions to be taken. Alright, that's it for Instagram bot settings, Messenger bot tutorial.